Here I've got the iPhone XR clone, and let me show you how to set up lock screen on the following device. So at the very beginning, open the settings, then find and select Face ID and passcode, so it's under Siri, and then go to turn passcode on. It's last active icon. Now you have to enter the one that you would like to have, so in my case it will be 123789. Now you have to re-enter it to confirm this password, so it's 123789. As you can see, from now on, this brand new passcode. Okay, let me go back to home screen this way. As you can see now, it's protecting your phone, so no one will be able to access it without this PIN code. If you would like to remove it, or if you would like to change it, just open the settings one more time, and then if you would like to change the passcode, just select change passcode and enter a new one. So let's go back, and if you would like to remove it, if you would like to turn passcode off, just tap on turn passcode off, and that's it. From now on, nothing is protecting your phone. It can be simply unlocked by swiping. So that's it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.